Love the sound of the rain. You get a nice heavy rain like this too. Oh, this is lightning. Yeah, just your garden variety thunderstorm. Nothing major. Sounds cool though.